Hi, Gabrielle. My name is Neil, and I'm originally from Ireland. Um, English is my mother tongue. So, in my past, I have been lucky enough to travel to many countries. Currently, I am in Vancouver, Canada, and I moved here in 2012. So I'm here almost 9 years. For me, Canada is a wonderful country with plenty of opportunities, wonderful people. It's very safe. There are good job opportunities. If you have any sort of skill sets, there are many, many different industries that you can work. In my case, when I arrived in 2012, I got a 1 year working holiday visa, and I just took a job in an office and worked there for a few years. And then, luckily enough, because I gained good work experience here in Canada and in Ireland in the past, I was able to get permanent residency. So I got that in 2015. And because I was enjoying my Canadian experience so much, I applied for citizenship. And in 2019, I became a Canadian citizen. Living and traveling around the world is a wonderful experience. It's probably one of the best life experiences you'll ever have. No formal education or university will able to compare the experience that you'll have of moving to another country. Um, Before I moved to Canada, I lived in Australia for a year. Again, a wonderful country, great opportunities and opportunities to meet wonderful, like-minded people. And I spent 2009 to 2010 in Australia. And again, I did so because I wanted to change and I wanted to see the world. My interest for travel probably started when I was very young, when I was a teenager. Living in Ireland, I went to France for a week's vacation, and I met so many different young French teenagers. And I made so many friends, and that gave me a hunger for traveling. Um, because I was working hard in school and I didn't have much money, I wasn't able to travel seriously again until I was 21. And when I was 21, I went to the US and I lived in Chicago for 4 months. And again, probably one of the best experiences in my life. I had three jobs. I worked very hard, but I also partied very hard, and I met the most amazing people and immersed myself in US culture and US life. And, it really just broadened my mind and my perspective on the world. And again, no experience will ever replace you relocating to another country and experiencing what it's like, because you learn so much about yourself, who you are. So if you're ever thinking about traveling and you're wondering, oh, I haven't got enough money, or I haven't got, enough skills, a lot of people do it blind, but you can do research nowadays. There's plenty of information online, there's blogs, there's people writing books about their travel experiences to different countries. If you want to travel, it's very important, especially if you want to go to move to Australia or Canada, or even, you want to spend some time in the US, to have excellent English. Even for me as a native English speaker, I had to do testing in Canada, and my English had to be a very, very high score before I could become a Canadian citizen. So what the first thing I would recommend you to do is make sure that you practice your English, and make sure it's up to a good standard, because it'll make things easier if you want to travel. All right. So if you need any help or any assistance, just let me know, and I wish you the best of luck. and aim high. And if you really want to travel in the future and go to another country, just go and do it. I wish you all the best. Bye bye.